In this video, I'm going to share with you how I use lead magnets to generate millions of dollars inside my business. And make sure you stick until the end because I'm going to share with you the number one thing you must have when using lead magnets to generate high quality leads. So first, let's define what a lead magnet actually is in the marketing space. So it's essentially a free item or service that you give away in order to get sort of contact information, start a conversation, or build value. Because nowadays we live in a world where trust is just at an all-time low, and you need to have an opportunity to get people that don't know you into your ecosystem. And the honest truth is most people do lead magnets completely wrong. And after spending millions of dollars on ads and building client acquisition systems for over 1,000 online businesses, I'm gonna share with you today what works. And by the end of this video, you're gonna have everything you need to create your first $1 million lead magnet. So first, I wanna explain why you should do a lead magnet. Because in a world where attention is hard to get and keep, we use lead magnets to build trust and attract prospects into our ecosystem. Your lead magnet will be one of the first steps in starting a conversation and closing a deal. And it's also gonna be the way that you build trust with someone that doesn't know who you are. You can use your lead magnet to run ads to get leads faster, promote on your organic stories or organic posts to start more conversations, get more people in the ecosystem. And essentially another great thing is you get to build a good email list when you do this the right way. But having a good lead magnet that delivers value is absolutely huge for your success. So let's talk about how to actually create your lead magnet. The number one thing you want to remember when creating a lead magnet is you want to keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate this. I see a lot of times when people create a lead magnet, they try to put everything into this one lead magnet, and that's the last thing you want to do. The entire point of creating a lead magnet is to solve one big problem that keeps your dream client up at night. So if you can think about who your ideal type of avatar, the type of person that you want to work with is, what is the thing that they're thinking about before they go to bed? A lot of times, if you're in that industry and you're just farther ahead, it's something that you used to have an issue with. So for example, if you were an agency coach, what would be, rewind maybe a year or two ago, what was one of those big issues that kept yourself up late at night, like thinking, man, I got to solve this. How do I solve this? That's what you want to solve. If you can solve that one big problem, you're going to attract that ideal avatar into your ecosystem. And when you do this, you want to strategically over deliver here. You don't want to give them everything. You just want to solve one main problem. And that's why I said strategically here. So I'm going to give you some examples. Let's say that you are in the fitness space. You could come up with a lead magnet that is the meals I eat every week to get a six-pack. And then you just give them the meals with a call to action in the actual lead magnet. You're not going to give them how to understand macros, how to work out with a workout plan. You're not going to give them the whole farm. You're just going to give them one small part of that equation. So then it over delivers, and then they come back and they're asking for more and they're wanting to work with you in the future. Another one is agency. The SOP I use to automate my onboarding process. SOPs work really well. Templates work really well. Ebooks work really well. We'll talk more about that later on in this video of like what you should actually go for. But just know as you're thinking about this and creating it, what is a simple thing that can get them that delivers results right away? Let's say you're in the trading space. You could say the trading strategy I use to trade 2 times a week and generate 45% returns. See how this is different than everybody else? Like you want to throw, if you can throw shade at what other people do in your lead magnet as well, it's going to do really well. So like, for example, this one, it's like, this is a trading strategy that I use only to trade 2 times a week and generate almost 50% returns. And what you're throwing rocks at is all these other traders are telling you to trade every day. I'm going to show you how to do it with less time and become more profitable. That's the kind of how it's speaking when you're using this sort of lead magnet. So you want to make sure that your lead magnet is very specific and only speaks to your ideal avatar. This is very important, and this is a mistake I see a lot of people mess up. So if you're a fitness coach and you only work with online coaches that can afford a 5K program, then it would be something like this. Coaches, my new diet plan requires only 3 days a week at the gym and lets you eat the food you love to get that chiseled body. It's simple and scalable. You see what I'm doing here? I'm speaking to a very specific demographic. Because if I'm a fitness coach charging 5K, the traditional 9 to 5er probably isn't going to be able to put 5K into their body, right? So I'm going to go after a specific demographic, maybe like coaches or agency owners or real estate professionals, whatever it is, right? And then look at this. I speak to them by saying you only need 3 days a week to do this, because coaches, they're running a business, they're busy. So I'm trying to speak to them and help them out with this. But then on top of that, I'm speaking on what they want to get, a chiseled body. And then I use it's simple and scalable. These are terms that coaches use, simple and scalable. So I'm actually going into my demographic and understanding what type of words they use. What do they want? What is the end result? And I'm speaking exactly to them. So I recommend when you're creating a lead magnet, you use one of these following ones. You could do a free ebook. You could do a mini course. Keep in mind when I say mini course, the word mini. This would be about 3 to 5 lessons. You don't really want to do more than 5 because, again, we want to strategically over deliver. We don't want to give them so much content that it takes them forever to absorb and they don't do it, because, again, we're giving away something for free. And when you give away something for free, typically people don't take full advantage of it. So you want it to be short and straight to the point. You could do a free masterclass. You could do a checklist. You could do an SOP. You could do a template. You could do a specific training. The thing is, you just want to give them one piece of the puzzle here. And I put some examples that we've used in the past I want to pull up for you. So here's actually an ebook that I used back in the day that worked pretty well, is discover the top 5 ways to get more clients and build an automated client acquisition machine. And the way that I would market this would be to coaches, saying, coaches, these are the top 5 ways to get more clients and build a client acquisition machine that you can completely automate. And then it says download book. There was a form here. We'd collect their information, send them the email. And then on the next page, there's actually a call to action video where they could book a call. And here's another one I want to share with you. It's actually just a free training that we gave away. I posted it on my story and we had a lot of people interested in this. And it was just simply, hey, I spent around $5,000 on ads and I made $100,000. Here's exactly how I did it. And then there was a free training. And then it was just simply, hey, are you interested in fast tracking your results? If so, apply here to book a call, right? And then here's another one. These are a little bit more next level type of things where you can do a lead magnet towards a VSL. And I'll explain how this works as this pulls up. But we gave away an ebook for this one, right? And when we gave away the ebook, we just sent them this link. But if you look at this, it's going to say, watch this video if you want a $75K a month coaching business on autopilot, right? And right here, it says the link for the ebook is below. So we give them the ebook, but we also have a mini VSL right here that they can watch. That most of the time what happens is a lot of people just watch this and book their call themselves. Now, the other one I want to share with you is this one over here, where it is more of a lead magnet to a free community. So a way that we can nurture them on the back end. So what we did is we just collected their email through either like a lead form or through a ManyChat sequence. We use a lot of ManyChat sequences inside our company because we're really known for using Instagram ads. And what happened is we said, hey, if you want this free course, message us keyword. And we had an email sequence, or we had a ManyChat sequence that just automated and collected their email and then sent them this from here. And then what happened was, after that, a setter had a conversation with them and would either book them or they would join the free community, right? So this is actually a really good opportunity for a school funnel or some sort of free community where you're like, hey, to get my free course, just follow these simple steps. Join my community, click here, and then make sure you answer these questions. And our questions were very specific. We only wanted people that were legit our ideal avatar coming into our community. And then step 3, follow the instructions. So in order for them to get the free course, they had to go through and follow all these instructions. And guess what? This last one right here said, hey, be on the lookout for my guy, his name was Joey, is going to be reaching out to you to deliver the free course. So he would start a conversation with them inside here. And the only way they could get the course is if they responded back to him, right? So those are a couple examples of how you can do this. Now, next I want to cover how to actually create your lead magnet. It's pretty simple. Essentially, you just need some sort of site where you can use funnels. And I recommend we use Go High Level for everything. We actually create our own software out of Go High Level that we give all of our clients, but you could just use Go High Level. You could use ClickFunnels. school.com, circle.so, etc., etc. You need somewhere where you can either create a funnel or you have some sort of community that you drive people to and say, hey, well, if you join my community, I'll give you the free lead magnet, whatever it might be. I would recommend using sites like Media Modifier to create like mock-ups like this, especially for your ads. These work really well. And when you do ads for lead magnets, there's so many different options for running ads, but the easiest and fastest way to get results with a lead magnet, in my opinion, is through DM ads. And I want to show you exactly how this looks right here. Is you have your lead magnet, which is like your actual ad, and then you drive traffic to your DMs where, hey, you say, hey, well, either give me your email or we'll have a conversation and I'll give you this lead magnet you asked for. And then basically you ask them smart questions. We give all of our clients an exact script on how to do this. And then you solve their problems and you provide value, and then you ask them to hop on a sales call. That's like the 1,000-foot overview of how this works. Now, I want to actually show you some of the ads that we've ran that have been successful with this that you can essentially model off of yourself. And keep in mind, I say model because a lot of people are going to be seeing this video, and if you just copy it, you're not going to get the same results because everybody's just going to copy it because most people are lazy. But you're this far in the video, so you're probably not that lazy, I would assume. So here's a couple examples. This one was probably one of our best performing. I was actually getting a haircut on a yacht, and it said 5 secrets to get more clients and build an automated client acquisition machine. And it just said like swipe up. Now, the problem with this one was, if you notice, I didn't call out my ideal demographic here. So I should have said agency owners or coaches. That way it would have been optimizing the algorithm to go to the right people. But we got a lot of cheap people in here. And again, cheap isn't always the best, but I'll give you a couple other examples. Is something like this. See how I say coaches and consultants. Get my free mini course on how we close 1 high ticket client every day through IG. Message me keyword. That worked really well. Here's one that we created for one of our clients that's in the trading space. This one absolutely crushed. Traders, get my free mini course on how to blank. Get my free mini course on how I trade 2 times a day with a 43% return, whatever it might be. Now, if you want to go more of the video route, this video worked really well. It doesn't work anymore just because I think the quality, this was like 2 years ago, just how the quality's changed in the algorithm, but I want to show you it anyway. So I'm going to play it and hopefully you can hear it. The absolute best way to scale your coaching business to 7 figures is by using Instagram DM ads, kind of just like this. Message me the word new secrets and I'll send over a free mini course and case study on how you can get started right away. So see how simple that was? It was like a very simple ad. The best way to do this is by this, message me keyword, and I'll send you this. And then that way we just got people in the ecosystem. So there's a lot of other ones that we've done over here, like 5 secrets to get more clients. These are some of the older ones that they performed well, but the quality wasn't that great because we're not very specific on who we're targeting in here, right? And then here's another one. This is Anthony, one of our clients, and he goes, I'm looking for 5 serious women who want to shred body fat and have more energy and develop healthy nutritional habits. Learn how to eat what you want without sabotage with my free mini course. Message me, let's grow, and I'll send it over. All of those have performed very well, so feel free to model off of them and try your own as you create your own lead magnets with this. So how to know that your lead magnet works is probably your next question with this. Is a simple thing is just test it. You know, post it on your story, post it on your feed. Your audience will tell you what they like and what they need the most. The easiest thing is if you already have an audience, you can just put up a poll and say, hey, what keeps you up at night? I'm going to randomly give away $50, a $50 Amazon gift card to whoever it is, right? Incentivize them a little bit. But the other way you could go about it is you could go and you could find ads that are already running successfully using lead magnets and then model off of them. Because chances are, if an ad is running as a lead magnet and it's been running for a while, it's more likely doing pretty well. And you can just go into Facebook Ads Manager or Facebook Ads Library and look up your people's ads. If you don't know, you can just Google it. more on that in a future video, but that's one way to really like just understand people's ads and how well they're performing. So this video is all about lead magnets, and I hope you found value. If you want to learn more about how to run ads to your lead magnets, then I'd suggest watching my triple threat ad strategy video that makes it dumb easy to get your ads up and running. I'll link that down below. And if you're anything like me and you want to shortcut the learning curve and go a lot faster, then feel free to use the link down below where you can book a call with me and my team to see if you might be a good fit for our accelerator program. And that's it for this video. I hope you found value. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.